above the crowd but in the middle of life. Welcome to Bahcelievler project. Our project located in Bahcelievler, 800 apartments, 2+1 up to 5+1 family concept and 11 blocks. The special thing of our project that you have your own private forest, 42,000 square meter, included all facilities. And we will have 210 square meter natural lake in the middle of the landscape. And the most important point, you will have your own shopping mall, 10,000 square meter, 49 commercial units. Our project located in the city center, in front of the tramway, just 1 minute by walking distance, metro bus 2 minutes, and metro station 2 minutes. The project surrounded by a lot of public facilities and schools, universities, shopping malls, everything. Project almost done, ready to move. Evaluation report is ready and project for sure suitable for citizenship.